it do?
What up with you, man?
One stop shop in right there.
Yeah. That's how you get down, huh?
Having fun today, homie.
Yes, sir. Thank you for tapping in with Motion Media. Come ride with us.
Mixed with the wind, big dollars make sense. Clean wash your rinse, keep yourself fit. Cause the motherfucker come you fancy and fit. Stay on your shit, can't afford to slip.
Boy, you've been having this car for too many years.
What's that? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. That's key to, yeah, that's key to son. That's
Excuse you.
It's underrated. You know what I'm saying? Got me a little piece of pie, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. What's up with the shop? It's at the house. Man. Thank God for the motivation. Hot dog,
you want to park here?
Let me know something action out here. That's one man. That's one man. Big dog. I get shirts and I still send my shit.
To the streets.
I know it's hard being a player.
Came back. I was the one in 63 earlier. Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, okay.
Whatever, but she, you know, when she mad at him, whatever, she'll chill. Mind somebody here, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, my nigga. Yes, sir. Make that other video. Ascot in the back seat. That's right. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. The homie truck.
See, you brought the tray out today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, this motherfucking beautiful is a motherfucker. It's making me miss my tray, man.
Real soon, huh?
Put respect on it. When you say my name, better put a check on it. I'm from Southern California, all my niggas paint colors. Slap a truck engine in the colors, burn rubber. And we can see saw on the shore and the chefs. I got it on car with the bras and they bring it. Nice sunny day every day in LA. Tap the front end, make it jump, bump it straight. No tats on the face, too fly for that. Put this 5-7, put the stripping on the map. Yeah, lax back to back, all 110 flats. One white, 4 blue on them gold tennis shoes.
How you get down, huh?
Happy fucking day, homie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just made it have that look. Yeah. Pushing it, man.
Yeah, appreciate that.
50s, I'ma die for this shit. 25 to life, gotta ride for the clip. Fruits to the office, can't deny me for shit. 20 city J's, we get live in this bitch. Nigga, tell him what it is. My daddy raised me, the big mother show.
She thick delicious, so you know I had to hit her. Goddamn, hell no. Boy, you know I didn't kill her. I'm from Memphis, you know I thought about pimping.
Exactly.
Give it up there. Yeah.
It's over there hopping too.
I just looked a lot young in a brand new thing. I can't stop. Just a money track. The road is the thing. This time is your life.
What'd it do? What'd it do? Hey, that's there. All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. A little bit, but.
Yeah, I like how you got the little pop-up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little pop-up.
Yep. Yeah.